welcome back to Gopaldas Public School online class. Again this class is for class 1 and 2 and we will learn something in maths. Today I will make you learn about the subtraction. First I will tell you what is the mean by subtraction and what is the sign of subtraction. Okay, for making the sign of subtraction, for knowing about the sign of subtraction, we can use our index finger. Okay, see, this is the sign of subtraction. See, dear children, keep one thing clear in your mind that the signs in maths is very compulsory. Okay, see, this is plus, this is minus, this is into or multiplication you can say. See, these are the signs. You have to put the sign when you will solve anything. When you will solve your additions, put your sign. When you will do your subtractions, put your sign. So, my topic is subtraction. My today's topic is subtraction. For making you learn about the subtractions, again I will draw one picture for you. See, this is the picture of a tree. Again I am giving you the same example which I gave you in addition, but this time is little difference. This time this example will show you the subtraction. Okay, see, again I will make some birds on the tree. Okay, I made 3 birds on this tree. Okay, now one more bird I will draw for you. Okay, see, 4 birds are sitting on the tree. Okay, if one bird will fly, then how many birds are remain here? 1, 2, 3. How many birds are remain over here? 1, 2 and 3. So, my dear children, you can understand subtraction means to remove the things. चीजों को कम करना, हटाना, remove the things. Okay. So, again, one more example I will give you. See, there are some flowers in one garden. Okay. Suppose there are 4 flowers in a garden. Okay. So you pluck one flower and you give this flower to your mama, and you will pluck again one more flower and you give this flower to your papa. This flower is for mama, this flower is for papa. Then how many flowers are remain? 1, 2. Here only 2 flowers are remain. Okay. See, so you can understand we have 4 flowers all together. How many flowers all together we had? 4 flowers. So, 1 flower you gave to your mama, 1 flower you gave to your papa. Then how many flowers are remain in your hand or in your garden? Only 2 flowers. So this is the subtraction. Subtraction means to remove the thing. चीजों को हटा दो, कम करो. Remove the things. Okay. Now I will tell you the subtraction with the help of some small numbers. So I wrote some numbers over here. Then I will put the sign of minus. See, my dear children, always make the sign. Whatever you will do, whatever you will solve in the math, please make sure forget to make the signs. Here once again I will write some numbers once again for you. Then again, first I will draw the sign. So, which number is this? This is number 4. So, I will draw 4 balls or 4 circles. Then which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 3. So, how many balls we will cut? We will cut 3 balls. Why I cut 3 balls? Because downside we have number 3. That's why I cut 3 balls here. Okay, then how many balls are remain over here? Only 1. How many balls are remain here? Only 1. So I will write number 1 over here. Okay, now here, which number is this? This is number 9. So I will make 9 balls over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then which number we have downside? We have number 5. Then how many balls we will cut? We will cut 5 balls. Why we are cutting 5? Because we have number 5 downside. Okay, so we will cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls we cut? 5. Then how many are remains? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write number 4 over here. You got this answer? Okay. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Again, one more sum I will solve for you here. Again, we have number 4. So we will draw 4 circles. And downside we have number 3. So I will cut 3 balls. Again. And only one ball is remain over here. So I will write number 1 over here. Then again, I have number 8 over here. This is number 8. So again I will make 8 balls. Then how many balls we will cut? We will cut 4 balls. Because we have number 4 downside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many balls are remain? 4 balls are remain. How many balls are remain? 4. So 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. 8 minus 4 is equals to 1. This is the simple subtraction which I am teaching you. This is the simple subtractions. So once again I am repeating my whole lesson summary is that subtraction. Subtraction means to remove the things. हटा दो, कम कर दो चीजों को. And in that, first we will learn with the object and second we can learn with the numbers. Okay, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. This is the answer. Here 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. So I hope you can understand, and I will give you some home assignments you can download by this app. Thank you.